Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I'm going to walk you through a trade that we just took in. This is a 2013 Malibu 23 LSV. So this is a 23-foot surf, wake, and tubing or hanging out with your family type of boat. This is a new trade that just came in. So let's walk through it. Obviously on the hull side here, we can see we got the nice kind of sky blue with the black, and then that blue down here at the bottom again. Malibu 23 LSV 2013. Back here we got the nice swim platform with the sea decking back here. Really feels good on the feet. Easy place to get on your board for wakeboarding or hop in the water and get that surfboard going as well. So Malibu with their surf gate and their wedge is what creates their surf wave and their wakeboard wakes. So you have access to that up at the helm to make those adjustments for your surfing. So a lot of things to see on the interior, so I want you to come aboard with me. All right, welcome aboard this 2013 23 LSV. So got a great seating arrangement here. As you can see, nice U-shaped seating all the way around. Really nice and easy to get the family all in here. Everybody's sitting next to each other. As you can see, we got the table set up right here. You can take that out if you don't want it, but it's a nice place for that table. You're all hanging out. And then obviously when people are ready for surfing or wakeboarding, whatever, on the back of the boat, you can turn and face that way. There's a cooler underneath this seat right here, and just kind of storage places all around the other seats. So I'll take a look at the tower here real quick. This is a collapsible tower. You got the wakeboard racks, and then included in there is the integrated bimini as well on that tower. We come up to the helm here. I'll take a seat. So we've got Rockford Fosgate in this boat. So you got speakers all over inside the boat with a subwoofer underneath by your feet. Got the steering wheel right here. We've got a power button. I've got a couple different screens that I can look at. I got a couple gauges right in here, but this is where I can get all my surfing, wakeboarding, all my presets set in that screen right there. And then this screen right here, I can touch for the blower, for the lighting on the interior. I got my nav, I got my docking lights, my anchor light. So, and you can deploy on this side, you can deploy the wedge up and down over here as well. So, real nice helm, easy to drive. Does have a bolster seat if you do need to get up and above the windshield. And then as we come up to the bow, 23 is more of like a pointed bow. So you've got some space in here for maybe 2 or 3 people. There's a filler cushion right in here. So a few people can sit right up in here and enjoy the day. So again, this is a 2013 23 LSV. This here in our Minnesota MarineMax location. If you want to come take a look at this boat, just give us a call or send us a message. We'd love to show it to you, or just stop on by. Love to have you out here and take a look. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.